Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashish, and I'm from Team-5. My team members are Yuvraj and Ramesh. Today, we're going to present and talk about a case study which is related to retailing IT and book kiosk. As today's agenda is team introductions, overview of solution, feasibility study, risk, assumptions, budget, project schedule, stakeholder engagement, summary, and last the questions. We start with the beginning, like what is kiosk? Kiosk is something which we have in airports, malls, in railway stations, so that people can access them on a corner of any of the floors. Basically, kiosks have the potential to be significant application of IT retailing, information provision, and service delivery. They can provide customers with a richness of productions, information such as related products, stock levels, availability, special offers, and personalized production design. Today we talk about this overview of solution and feasibility study. As we start with the solution, we have implemented retailing IT kiosk and transaction system to support business functions, which includes warehousing, inventory, order processing, e-commerce, distribution, and shipping. And some of the reporting solution will allow for better oversight and management, for which stores are targeted for locations in airport, trains, and bus station, other places where people may be in need of books at all hours. A feasibility study would be starting with decision to move forward on the project based on tangible and intangible benefits, such as a quantitative and qualitative approach. Where the quantitative approach is divided in three sections, that has payback period and net present value, which is also known to be NPV. Another one is internal rate of return. A qualitative approach which has a positive changes to the book format because of the project. And you can see there is a feasibility study which shows the quantitative, in which we have a payback period for 6 years, 6 to 7 years. So the blue line consists of new cash flow and the red line is cumulative cash flow. As you can see, the x-axis on the dollars and the right axis shows the years. And in the qualitative approach, we see inventory management, customer relationship, business improvement, budget management, risk management. The technology we are trying to use is over here is a kiosk, normally a computer located in a stylish box with screen fixed at the level, which is convenient for the users who stand by the machine. The users touches the machine on the screen and starts specified transaction. We're also including, we try to see that they can search books, and the books which are not available in the kiosk, they can try to order them online and they would be delivered for free of cost. As we talk about more projects stuff in the kiosk, I need to address some of the main points. We have included some of the concepts in the computer screens on the kiosk section, such as information, interactions, transact, relative information, and some of the things who can see with the 3D thing in the screen. The information section provides about the information of the book, new releases based on best voted authors, and the interaction section has a two-way dialogue with the exchange of information. A transaction is a capability where it supports a purchase transactions and shows you how much do you have in your account. And we also introduce a card system in which we provide cards to the book format where they can insert money in the card and they can buy books if they don't have any other cards to purchase. So another thing, we have an enlargement section in which they can see books, like allowing them to see the samples of new releases, and they can order online if they like it. As we see, there's a PM management. We have a designing company, construction company, a financing company, and marketing, and an IT company. So all these are divided by are controlled by New York management, where the construction company is design company is run by Berlin. The construction has taken place. The people who are constructing this kiosk are from Beijing, and finance are from London, and the marketing strategies and everything, including all those publishing of books and putting posters inside the kiosk station, would be done by Singapore people. the IT is related to the technology that we are going to use, and the screen, keyboard, the transactions are handled over by Indian people. This project concludes with the 12-month deadline, starting from Jan 1st, ending with the 12th of December. So there is the project schedule. As you can see, there is a board of director approved, which is approved on 15th. Project starts at kickoff on 1st of April, and vendors would be selecting stakeholders such as people who are investing money on this, financing organization such as London. Starts on 31st of 1st. So we are trying to get a full system testing on March 18, and first kickoff date on London would be start on 30th if the full testing system goes good. So the project wrap up would be done on 12/15 plan, and next project would be on Dubai implementation, that is on 9/5/15, and the extended support would be 13/9/15, which is taken care by Indian staff. And they have five countries which are going into this. There is uh, New York, Japan, Singapore, Berlin, and the other one is France. As as you can see, there is a CPE WBS scheduling going on over here, which shows the start team project starts with the 255 days, and creating logo, names, approval of name, and locations such as Tokyo, Beijing, New York, Singapore, and there would be some designing of furnitures and heaters and everything that makes good for a kiosk store and people.
Good evening, Professor. My name is Yuvraj Madhav Naidu. I'm just continuing our presentation from our team partner Ashish. And I'm just presenting you what are the risks in this project. The risks, it consists of there are two types of risk. One is higher risk, and another one is like a medium risk. In higher risks, we have like three kinds of sections. Like the first thing is like system should contain accurate schedule, cost, and scope. the, this is the main thing that the system must provide with an accurate information of the each and every customers, and it must be scheduled in a proper way that the books can be books can be supplied, and it can be returned in a scheduled manner. And the second thing is like e-commerce website developers. This is the thing that the programmers should check all user compatibility issues and design it accordingly. The third thing is the important thing, like funding issues. uh, uh, the funding must not be like negotiated with the stakeholders. They must be providing with the proper funds that is used for accomplishing this project. And the other thing is like the risks in the medium status. These are the risks. Like the first thing is like matching system requirements. We should make sure that all system requirements must be compatible with the customers, and it must be compatible like what are the opportunities that they can get our providence exact time. And second thing is like backing up data. Backing up data is one of the most important aspects in each and every system. If the customer details has been lost, or if their information is being deleted, we can back up their data, and we can provide the greater service which the store has to maintain its level. The third thing is like testing pace. In testing pace, extensive testing ensures less maintenance cost during the post go live period. And the second thing is like assumptions. In assumptions, we have like two kinds. Like first thing is a timeline. In timeline, for example, the store in London goes live on
Stakeholder engagement plans. Stakeholders have been identified and assigned an engagement level. Stakeholder support is critical for successful project delivery. Key internal stakeholders includes executive management, external stakeholders, that is contractors. Contractors are the people who generally hire the people who do the work, and large retailers. There are large retailers are the people who get the stuff from the different people to done the workout. Stakeholders engagement plan. This is the table. It explains the stakeholders engagement plan. In that left corner section, stakeholders name and title, CEO and the sponsor, project manager, the risk management and resource managers, project teams. Summary and questions. Team introductions, overview of solutions, feasibility study, and the risks, assumptions, budget, project schedule, organizational chart, and stakeholders engagement summary questions. Summary. Solution is useful to note that information provisions are typically concerned with high involvement purchase making decisions, will allow book or mart to sell direct to consumers. Many qualitative and quantitative benefits. Quantitative and qualitative benefits are in a different format. Like qualitative benefits are the quality which a customer buy books, what kind of quality he is getting from the books, and quantitative benefits, how much the quantity is getting out of it. Opens the door for future supplies for books industry, opportunity to expand operations beyond some other countries. This is any questions and concerns. Thank you.